So here we are having a wireless Bluetooth earphone which you are definitely gonna love it, and the best part is that it comes in mid-budget range. So here it comes. So these headphones are from a company known as Evolution. Here are some of its unique features. So it is powered with Bluetooth version 5.0. So also they comes with a 40mm deep bass driver. So if you want deep bass, then I'm pretty much sure you're definitely gonna love these headphones. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here comes our Latitude Wireless headphone box, and it is powered by Bluetooth version 5.0. So it comes with a 6 hours of music playback, built-in microphone, and it also has an aux support. So if you run out of the juice, you can use this aux cable to enjoy these headphones. Also they are having a powerful bass and inbuilt noise cancellation. They also support Dolby Digital Plus, which is pretty great. So enough boasting about these headphones, let's unbox it and let's find more about these. So here they are, and here you will find the user manual guide in the box. So I would definitely recommend you to go for this user manual guide for once. Also they comes with a 6-month warranty, so you can pretty much register your headphone on baseev.com to avail the warranty. Yeah, they are a little bit of heavy. I can say that they are around 150 to 200 gram. So these are not made from cheap plastic, they are built from metal hinges, so they are not gonna break very easily, and they are gonna pretty much last longer. In terms of build quality and design, I am really impressed by these headphones. So we are having a micro USB-B charging cable, and apart from that an aux cable, so that you can use your Bluetooth headphones when you run out of the juice. So they are gonna sound pretty great even if you use them using the aux cable. So you will find the cushioning at the headrest and a leather finish at the top, which makes them premium. Also the cushioning and the padding is pretty great in the ear cups also. So here you will find that you are having a 5-volt charger, a volume down button, a volume up button, and a power button with LED indicator, as you can see on your screen. Now let's do the sound test and button test of these headphones. For pairing, you need to press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, and you will find that the LED is blinking blue and red, which means it is ready for pairing. Now turn the Bluetooth on your phone, and you will find something known as Latitude. Yeah, here we are having the Latitude, and boom, they are connected, and they are having around 60% of battery, which is pretty great. So now let's test this by using our music app. So if you want to do the play and pause functionality, you can pretty much do it with the use of the power button, and it is pretty fast. Now when we're talking about the range, its range is gonna be awesome because they are powered with Bluetooth 5.0, and so the range is gonna be pretty much around 15 to 20 meter. And apart from that, the battery consumption will be less in Bluetooth as well as on your phone. So this is the power of Bluetooth version 5.0. And if you want to move to the next track, just press the volume up button for once and you're on the next track. For the previous track, just press the volume down button and you will find that you are in the previous track, which is pretty great. Also, if you want to increase the volume, just hold the volume up button and this is the full volume. If you want to decrease the volume, just hold the volume down button. So these headphones have passed in our sound test and button test. So now we are gonna talk about the sound quality and comfortability of these headphones. I have used these headphones for around 6 hours, and there was very minute pain, which you are definitely gonna have if you are using any type of headphones. So they are very comfortable in your ears, and they also have an adjustable ear cup to some degree so that they can easily fit your ears. And when we talk about the fitting, they fit perfectly. As you can see on your screen, if you are shaking your head a little bit, I don't think they are gonna come out of your ears. This is pretty great. If you want to use it for daily uses, they are pretty great, but not for gym, because they are surely gonna come out of your ears if you are using for gym. Also the cushioning is very comfortable at the top as well as ear cuffs, without any doubt. Now let's talk about the sound quality in a couple of seconds. The button positions are pretty great. I really want the button positions to be on the left, and this headphone is having the button position on the left. The bass is really great. I can say that these are deep bass, and you would definitely enjoy the bass in these headphones because they are powered with 40mm drivers. Apart from that, the vocals are crisp and clear, keeping in mind the price point of these headphones. A little bit of problem can occur if you are using this in a closed room. It is because it is having a little bit of sound leakage. Now you can hear the sound leakage in these headphones. So a little bit of leakage is there in these headphones. Well, it could be a problem for some of you guys, but not for all. and also the sound leak is not pretty much, so you can definitely go for it. But yeah, if you're really concerned about the sound leaking, then I think they will be disappointing for you a little bit. But keeping in mind the price point, I don't think you will find a headphone in this price range with a deep bass, with Bluetooth version 5.0 and with the vocals crisp and clear. Also they are having the aux cable and the controls are pretty great and very tactile. So here it is, and I really love enjoying these headphones, and they are definitely gonna be my daily drivers. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to support us by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also, so that you can get latest video notifications whenever I upload new video on my channel. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. This is Akshay signing off.